Hi! Today we are gonna do a lesson about grammar. If you are not sure about what grammar is like it's a study of our language and it's super important. So we are gonna start with two different kind of words. And I'm gonna show you this. Do you know what it is? It's a sphere, you are right. So I'm gonna try to roll it. And it moves super fast. And if I roll it faster, it goes faster. Do you know what it represents? It represents action, energy. If we are talking about words, what kind of word do you think that it can represent? Exactly, a verb. Imagine that you have the sphere in your hand. Try to feel it and see what happens with it. It moves and it has tons of energy. Because of that, it represents a verb because it means that something is happening here in my hand. Let's think about verbs. What kind of words do you think that are verbs? Here I have a list. Just tell me one. Good job. Run. Run is a verb. Here you have run. Run is a verb. Can you run? Stand up and pretend that you're running. And you can see that you are acting, you are doing actions, and you are using your energy. You are doing an action. And an action is a verb. Also, another verb that I have here is jump. Can you jump like a kangaroo? Exactly. And again, you are doing an action and you are wasting energy. Tons of energy, you jump so high. Another verb I have here is eat. Can you represent eating? When we are eating, we are also doing an action, chewing, swallowing. We are wasting energy, using our energy. Now, another verb you need to represent. Fly. Can you fly like a bird? Can you imagine how much energy birds using during flight? A lot. Another action, write. Can you represent write? When we are writing, we are using our energy to do something important for us. Tell someone something, we are doing an action. And the last one I have here is drive. Something that here in Utah we do all the time. Not you because you are children, but the adults. And when we are driving, we are again super focused on using all our energy. Do you know what? This is a 3D shape. Why is a 3D shape? Because I need it to run and moves a lot. But when we are talking about grammar, we usually use our paper for reading or for writing. So instead of using a 3D shape, I'm going to transform this shape into 2D. Do you know what 2D shapes it can be? Exactly, a circle. So verbs are represented by a circle. I'm going to put it over here with our verbs. Now we are going to talk about a different word. This kind of word, is represented by a pyramid. I'm gonna try to move my pyramid and let's see what happens. It rolls, but it's not the same. I think this pyramid is more stable, more solid. So what kind of word do you think that can represent a pyramid? It's not an action. It's not doing anything. Exactly. Some of you told me. It's a noun. A noun. Here I have a list of nouns. Nouns are things that actually takes up space. Things about things that takes us up spaces. For example, a house. Clearly, it takes up space. So, it's a noun. Another thing, probably something that takes up space, for sure. Bed. A noun too, but also something that is not just an object, but is something alive. A cat, exactly. A cat takes up space, and we people too. Or even a horse, exactly. It's a noun again. And what do you think about this city? Layton. Do you think that Layton take up space? It can be a noun. It's a verb. Layton doesn't do actions. Yes, it's a noun. And the last thing I have, pencil. Pencil. A small space, but it takes a space. So if I look at my words, here I have house, bed, cat, horse, Layton, pencil. There are so many more nouns. We can think about that. A noun can be a person, an animal, a place, or an object. These things can be nouns. But again, this pyramid is a 3D shape. I need it in 3D because I need something solid, really stable, that doesn't move or do anything. But when I am writing on a paper or reading on a book, I need a 2D shape. What 2D shape you can think that it can be? Well done. A triangle. Here I have my triangle. A black triangle and a red circle. Do you remember which is which? This circle represents verbs. Things that moves. Well, not things, sorry. Actions. Energy moving around. Like jump, run, eat, fly, write, drive, breathe, smile. All of these are verbs. And these shapes is representing nouns. Well done. Nouns are stable, solid. They can be thing, they can be a place, it can be an animal, or it can be a person. Like if I'm talking about Sonia, Sonia is a noun too, a proper noun. So I hope you learned a lot today about grammar. It's the first lesson. So remember, red circle, a verb. Black triangle means nouns. And here you have the list of the words we were working on. See you. Adios. Ciao.